Excuse me. Hello? Sudo Naguro? They're ready for you.
It's too hot for these costumes.
At least the tea is good.
I wonder what the delay is this time.
They're ready for you on set now.
Also, don't take fight me.
What seems to be the holdup?
It's just some sort.
Listen up, y'all. Sekiro Gudo here wants to know when you're gonna join SARURA Kids on YouTube. See, this here production can't go on without y'all. We need you. We need you because the movies need to be watched. We can't go on and make this here ngano story without you. So, mosey on up to your grown-ups and tell them that they need to sign up to SARURA Kids on YouTube today. See? Go on! Look for us now! And tell you what, if enough of y'all sign up, I'm gonna eat my hat! Can you eat mine too, Chuck?